Hello, everyone. This is week 2 of FCS 412. Let's get started. So for this week, we're going to start our green business plan. I want to make sure that you're aware of the folders that you will need for the rest of the course. So each week, you go to assignment/course content for the weekly module. Right here is the green business plan folder. It has all of the information for the business plan assignment. So this is the detailed information that you need to read when starting the week so that you can be aware of how to complete the sustainable business plan assignment. This is your required template. You click this, download it, and you will use that template to complete the business plan assignment. These are two different examples that you can look at just to kind of see what you should do. However, do not follow these examples specifically word for word. These examples were done about one of them maybe 2 years ago. So some of the assignments have changed in detail. Okay, so these two examples are just general examples of sustainable businesses. Do not look at it word for word. This is exactly what you need to do and you're going to have an A, okay? So just use it for a general example. Let's see. Okay, sustainable resources folder. This has a lot of different articles about sustainability. That it has all the different disciplines, different resources that you guys can use if you want a better understanding of sustainability in business, and some different ideas or some things that you can do. Okay. So it has daycare stuff in there, restaurant, some fashion articles. And in fashion, we talk about sustainability a lot, so it's not a new topic for you guys, but in some of the other disciplines, it may be a new topic. Okay, so let's get back to week 2. Okay, sustainable innovation and entrepreneurship. So this is your weekly overview. Make sure you read it. You will be using your Principles of Entrepreneurship textbook as well as the Green Business Plan Guide. Both of these are located in the Getting Started area of the class. Okay, your textbooks are located here, the links for them. The Sustainable Resources folder is optional, and you have one article that's in this folder here. So your discussion assignment is due by Thursday, and your executive summary is due by Friday. Okay, so this is your discussion assignment. After you finish the assigned readings, then you'll be able to answer these questions. The Green Business Plan Executive Summary assignment. This is in discussion format. So you will be, after you post, you will be able to see some other people's work and what they've posted. This will be the only area of the business plan, other than the final submission, that is on a discussion. From here on out, you guys will submit it as an assignment, so you won't be able to look at what other people are doing. You're only going to submit your detailed information. Then at the end, it'll be another discussion so that everyone can kind of see the different businesses that you guys have done this session. Okay, so that is what is due for week 2. If you have any questions about what to expect for week 2, any questions about sustainability or your business, please don't hesitate to reach out to me. Please keep in mind that there is a late work policy. So the assignments will be open for the entire session, but each day that you're late is 5 points off. So if you turn in assignment 5 days late, that's minus 25 points, okay? If you turn an assignment 1 day late, it's only minus 5 points. So you can turn in an assignment up to 2 days late and still make an A. If you were to receive 100, you would just receive a 90 instead for turning in 2 days late. So you please don't take that and run with it, because that 5 points adds up very, very easily. Okay, so always try to make sure you meet your deadlines, and you guys should be successful. Alrighty, so again, if you have any questions, feel free to contact me. You guys have a great week.